हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं BL शर्मा, मैथ्स सर, will discuss with you chapter 12, that is areas related to circle of class 10th mathematics, in which I will be discussing with you important formulas and exercise 12.1. So see here. First of all, we come to circumference of a circle. I know that you all know the circumference of the circle. Still, we have to revise it. Circumference of a circle is actually the perimeter of the circle. If the radius of the circle is given to us, means this is radius, and this is radius, and later this is radius, then the perimeter of circle or circumference of the circle is given by 2 pi and r. Area of the circle, we also know, we already have done in 9th class, that is pi r square. R stands for the radius of the circle. And area for the half of the circle means semicircle. That is half of the area of circle is pi r square. So divide by 2. Area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. And the circumference of a semicircle that is given by, see here, this is here to here, that is half of 2 pi r. So we can write 2 pi r, iska आधा करें, plus this diameter. Perimeter is actually the length of the boundary. So here this white portion means 2 pi r by 2, and this diameter means 2r. So that is the perimeter of the circle. So sorry, say perimeter of the semicircle. So cancel 2 by 2. That is pi r plus twice of r. That is the formula for circumference of the semicircle when its radius is given. Then area of a circular path means the region bounded by the two concentric circles. You see here, that is the means this is the region bounded by the two concentric circle. One is large circle, other is a small circle. ये दो concentric circles हैं. Concentric circles means the circles having the same center. ये दोनों का center same है. And here you will find this is the same center. And the radius of the smaller circle is r, means small r, and the radius of the larger circle is capital R. So the area of the shaded region means circular disk. This yellow portion is given by area of larger circle minus area of a smaller circle. We know that area of circle is pi r square. So pi capital R square minus pi small r square. You can take pi here common, and now you can factorize. We know that x square minus y square, that is x plus y into x minus y. Similarly, r square minus small r square is r plus r, and r minus small r. So you can write the area of the shaded part means the area bounded or enclosed by two concentric circles. That is yellow portion is here. That is given by pi bracket capital R square minus small r square, where capital R is the radius of the larger circle, small r is the radius of the smaller circle, and the two circles are concentric circle means they have the same center. Then minor arc and major arc. Student, this circumference means the boundary is the arc of the circle actually. But if we form the sector here, let this is sector, means sector is the region bounded. Sector is the region bounded by, say, this is radius and radius. See here, this is center of the circle. ये circle का center है. ये इसका 1 रेडियस है और ये आर्क है और ये रेडियस है. ये येलो पोर्शन है, इसको हम कहते हैं मींस सेक्टर ऑफ द सर्कल. So actually, what is sector of the circle? Sector of the circle is the region bounded by the radii and arc of the circle. वो सर्कल का वो रीजन जो दो रेडियस से, प्लूरल ऑफ रेडियस इज रेडियाई, RADII, that is plural of रेडियस का प्लूरल होता है रेडियाई. देखिए, this radius and this radius and this is arc. AB is the arc. So this region bounded by radii and arc of the circle is said to be or called sector of the circle. Students, if this angle, the angle at the center is less than 180 degree, then this sector is said to be the minor sector and this arc is said to be the minor arc. But see here, this arc is the major arc because this angle is more than 180 degree. That is why a circle has means two arc, that is one arc if the angle at the center is less than 180 degree, and the major arc if the center the angle at the center is more than 180 degree, then that is said to be the major arc and minor arc. The region of the circle bounded by radii and the minor means arc, that is said to be minor segment. And here this pink region, that is major segment, because this region is bounded by radii and this major arc and this radii. And this yellow portion, this is said to be the minor segment because this is bounded by the radius and the minor arc and the radius. So that's all for the major arc and the minor arc. This AB here to here, this is it is minor arc. And this region, this arc, if you come from A, then you go to point C, then you come to this point B. This is major arc. This portion, that is that is major arc. And I'm taking different here, and this pink is actually minor arc. And this yellow portion, that is major arc. Next. And now if we wish to find out the length of the arc, how to determine the length of the arc AB if its radius is given, how to determine, an angle at the center is given. इस minor arc की length को हम कैसे इसका formula find out करते हैं? Students, you already have seen that if it is a circle and this is complete circle, अगर ये इसका रेडियस r है तो ये कंप्लीट एंगल अगर 360 डिग्री बनाता है तो द लेंथ ऑफ आर्क मींस दैट इज इक्वल टू द सर्कमफरेंस. सो हियर द डेरिवेशन यू कैन से if the angle at the center is 360 degree, the length of the arc is 2 pi r. So you can say angle at the center, and this is length of arc. If it is 1 degree, By unitary method, the length of arc will be 2 pi r upon 360. But if it is theta degree, because angle at the center is theta degree, this is sector angle of theta degree, then length of arc will be 2 pi r upon 360 into theta. This 2 divided, wind divides 360, that is 180. So we can write pi r theta upon 180. So this is the formula for the length of the arc if the radius of the circle is given and angle at the center is also given. अगर हमारे पास रेडियस किसी सेक्टर का या सेगमेंट का दे रखा होता है तो हम आसानी से ये जो लेंथ ऑफ आर्क है ए बी वी कैन मेजर इट एंड द फॉर्मूला फॉर दैट इज पाई आर थीटा अपॉन 180. Theta is angle at the center, r is radius of the circle. So this is very important and easy formula. Length of the arc of the circle is pi r theta upon 180 degree. Again, I am repeating, r is radius of the circle and theta is angle at the center. जो ये arc center पे angle बनाता है circle पे, that is theta degree. Then sector of a circle and its area. We already know that a region of a circle enclosed by any two radii and the arc. See here, this is radius, means radius, this is also radius, and this is arc. So this region bounded by the radius means two radii and the arc is said to be the sector of the circle. If the sector is said to be the minor sector if it is enclosed by minor arc. ये आपका minor arc है, इसलिए OAB is a minor means sector here. But if it is enclosed by this one, say this region, this portion, ये जो इसका arc है वो major arc है. See this one, yes, this one. So this is said to be the major sector. Major sector means the radius and enclosed by the major arc. ये देखिए radius and major arc. This yellow portion here in this case is the major sector. Why it is major? Because this arc ACB is major arc. Why it is minor sector? Because this AB is minor arc. That is why a sector can be a minor sector or major sector according to it is enclosed by the minor arc or major arc. कोई भी सेक्टर हमारा मेजर आर्क मेजर सेक्टर और माइनर सेक्टर होगा अगर इसने रेडियाई और माइनर आर्क को एनक्लोज कर रखा से एनक्लोज है तो माइनर सेक्टर, मेजर आर्क और रेडियाई से एनक्लोज है तो दैट विल बी major sector. And now how to find out the area of this? How to find out? Using the same rule, we can say that, see here, अगर हमारे पास एक सर्कल है, complete circle, I am drawing here a complete circle, this is circle here, and this is radius. So angle at the center is 360 degree. So angle at the center, and that is area. If angle at the center is 60 degree, the area, that is the complete circle, and this will be given by pi r square, because we know that the area of the circle is pi r square. Unitary method, if it is 1 degree, then this will be pi r square upon 360 degree. But if it is theta degree at the angle at the center, then that will be given by pi r square upon 360 into theta. So this is the area of a sector of the circle for which we need two things. We need theta means angle at the center, and we need radius means what is the radius of the circle. So in this case, if this is radius, and angle at the center means that this is the sector of theta degree, then its area is given by pi r square theta upon 360. See here, pi r square theta upon 360. एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट सेक्टर के लिए हमें रेडियस चाहिए और एंगल एट द सेंटर चाहिए, मीन सेक्टर एंगल चाहिए. लेंथ ऑफ आर्क के लिए भी हमें रेडियस चाहिए और हमें हमें रेडियस चाहिए और हमें एंगल एट द सेंटर चाहिए. अब देखिए इन दोनों में क्या रिलेशन है. वी नो दैट length of arc is given by pi r theta upon 360. So we can represent by L, that is pi r theta upon 360. And we know that area of the sector of the circle means that is A, that is given by pi r square theta upon 360. Can I write this pi r theta upon 180 into r by 2? देखिए, pi r and r square theta 180 into 2 360. But this pi r theta upon 180 that can be written as length of arc. See here. That can be written as L, length of arc, into R by 2. So, area of a sector of a circle is given by length of arc into radius divided by 2, or in short we can write area, that is L r by 2. This is the relation between area of the sector and length of arc, and this is very, very important relation. So very important relation is area of a sector of a circle is equal to length of arc into radius divided by 2. Very important relation between length of arc and area of sector. Next, and now what is segment of the circle? Segment of the circle क्या होता है देखिए. You see here, this is a circle, and PQ is a chord. A chord divides the circle into two parts. देखिए ये PQ एक chord है. PQ chord इस सर्कल को टू पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा है. देखिए एक तो ये लोअर पार्ट है, दैट इज येलो पार्ट. दिस पार्ट इज एनक्लोज्ड बाय chord and arc. This arc is minor arc. That is why this yellow portion or yellow region is said to be minor segment. तो segment क्या होता है? The area or the region enclosed by a chord and minor arc is said to be the minor segment. And you see here, this is the pink portion. This is area enclosed by the chord, and this major arc. That is why this pink portion is again see P, Q, S and PQ. This is said to be major segment. सेगमेंट में और सेक्टर में डिफरेंस इतना ही है कि सेक्टर में जो रीजन होता है वो एनक्लोज होता है रेडियस और आर्क से. सेगमेंट में जो रीजन एनक्लोज होता है सर्कल का वो होता है कोड एंड आर्क. This is the major difference between the segment of circle and sector of a circle. Minor segment and major segment is according to the, it is enclosed by the minor arc or it is enclosed by the major arc. And now it is very important to find out the area of the segment of the circle. See here student, देखिए यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे इस क्वेश्चन में, तो ये जो हमारा पोर्शन है ये आई एम मार्किंग हियर, मैं थोड़ा इसको हाईलाइट करता हूं, ये देखिएगा दिस पोर्शन, this yellow portion is actually the minor segment. Why it is minor segment? Because it is enclosed by the minor arc. How can you say it is enclosed by the minor arc? आप इसे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, if the length of the arc is less than the arc of the semicircle, then it is the minor. Otherwise, or if the angle at the center is less than 180 degree, अगर ये थीटा एंगल 180 डिग्री से कम है, तो ये जो हमारा सेक्टर है और जो सेगमेंट है वो हमारा माइनर सेगमेंट या माइनर सेक्टर कहलाता है। सी हियर, मैं दोनों में दिखाता हूं, देखिए ओ पी क्यू, दिस पोर्शन इज अ ट्राइंगल, बट सी हियर ओ पी आर क्यू ओ, that is sector, and PRQ, this yellow portion is segment. जब हम कहते हैं कि फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर, तो हम इस पूरे पोर्शन का एरिया फाइंड आउट करते हैं कौन से का, O P R Q O. But whenever it is asked to find out the area of the segment, then we have to find out the area of the this yellow portion only. अब यहाँ पे हमें एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट फाइंड आउट करना है। देखिए स्टूडेंट, सो देखिए दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ दैट इज गिवन बाय एरिया ऑफ दिस सेक्टर ऑफ द सर्कल मींस ओ पी आर क्यू। इसमें से हमें ये ट्राइंगल ओ पी क्यू का एरिया कम करना पड़ेगा, लेस करना पड़ेगा, सबट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा। That is why from trigonometry of 11th class, the area of triangle OPQ is given by 1 by 2 r square sine theta. We can write r square sine theta. Which portion is that? See here, this portion. ये जो पिंक पोर्शन में बना रहा हूं ये ट्राइंगल है और इसका जो एरिया है इट इज गिवन बाय 1 by 2 r squared sin theta. So you must know the value of sin 30 degree. We know if this angle is theta is 30, theta can be 30 degree, theta can be 45 degree and theta can be 60 degree. ये अब restricted है आपके कि 30, 45 और 60 आ सकता है। I am writing again here sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, and sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. ये 3 values आपको learn रखनी होगी। But how to find out the area of this yellow portion? To get this yellow portion is minor segment here. So the area of minor segment is area of the sector OPRQ minus area of triangle OPQ. So area of sector of the circle we know pi r square theta upon 360 हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, and area of this triangle is 1 by 2 r square sin theta हम यहाँ डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। आप इसको सबट्रैक्ट करिए और this is the formula pi r square theta upon 360 minus 1 by 2 r square sin theta. This is the formula to get the area of a segment of a circle. For this two things must be there with us. हमें दो चीजों का पता होना चाहिए, एक रेडियस का और एक एंगल एट द सेंटर का। हमें लेंथ ऑफ आर्क के लिए भी दो चीजें चाहिए, रेडियस एंड थीटा। सेक्टर के लिए भी दो चीजें चाहिए, रेडियस एंड थीटा, एंड सेगमेंट का एरिया के लिए भी हमें दो चीज चाहिए, the radius and the angle at the center, that is theta. And now these are the formulas. You already had do this. आप इसको अपनी नोटबुक में लिखें और प्रैक्टिस करें. And now here is question number 1 of exercise 12.1. We have to use here in place of pi 22/7. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Students, here you can say that let the radius of this circle is given by and radius of this circle is and radius of this circle, see here, we can say let the radius of this circle is r1, the radius of this circle is r1, and let the radius of the resulting circle is r. ये दो सर्कल है, इसका रेडियस r1 है, इसका रेडियस r2 है. अगर इन दोनों सर्कल के सर्कमफ्रेंस के इक्वल इसका सर्कमफ्रेंस है तो इसका रेडियस फाइंड आउट करिए. Yes, so circumference of a circle is given by 2 pi radius into 2 pi r2, and that is given by 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle with radius r1 r1 you need. Circumference of the circle with radius r2 unit is 2 pi r2, and the circumference of the circle with radius r is given by 2 pi r. ये दे रखा है कि ये जो two circles है इसका circumference plus इसका surface that is equal to the circumference of this circle. You can take 2 pi common. r1 plus r2 is 2 pi r. This 2 pi and 2 pi cancel. So r1 plus r2 is equal to means r. So what is given r? That is given 19 centimeter. R2 is given 9 centimeter. So 19 centimeter plus 9 centimeter is r. So you can write r is equal to 19 plus 9, 28 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of the resulting circle or desired circle is equal to 28 centimeter आंसर. इसका जो रेडियस होगा वो होगा 28 सेंटीमीटर. डायरेक्टली आप ये 2 पाई इस पे जंप ना करें. यू कैन डू लाइक 2 पाई means into 19 plus 2 pi into 9, that is 2 pi r. You can also do like this, 2 pi 19 plus 9, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi is cancelled by 2 pi, so r is equal to 19 plus 9, that is 28 सेंटीमीटर. आप चाहें तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. Question number 2. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Let a radius of this circle is r1. This circle is r2, and the radius of the resulting circle is r. It is given that the area of this first circle, this one, plus area of this circle with radii 2, R2, is equal to the area of this circle with the radius R. So we can write pi R1 square plus pi R2 square is pi R square. It is given. इसका जो रेडियस R1 है that is 8 सेंटीमीटर, the radius R2 is 6 सेंटीमीटर और ये हमें रेडियस फाइंड आउट करना है. You can take pi common, so R1 square plus R2 square is pi small r square. Here pi and this pi is cancelled, so we can write here R1 square plus R2 square is R square. In place of R1, we can put 8 square. In place of R2, we can write 6 square. That is R square. 8 is 64. 6 is 36. That is R square. 64 plus 36, that is 100. That is R square. So R square is 100. R is take the square root of 100, that is 10. So what is the radius of the circle having the area equal to the area of the circles with radii, radius 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter, that will be 10 centimeter. Therefore, in the answer statement, you can write radius of the desired circle is equal to 10 centimeter. Answer. That is the answer. That's all for this question. ये जो सर्कल है इसका जो रेडियस होगा that will be 10 centimeter. Question number 4. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? See here, a very important concept here is a car means a wheel completes the distance equal to its circumference in one revolution. एक ये जो पहिया है, व्हील है, एक रिवोल्यूशन में ये कितना चलता है? इट ट्रेवल्स इक्वल टू 2 पाई आर मींस यूनिट. सो रेडियस शुड बी देयर विद अस. एक कंप्लीट रिवोल्यूशन में एक ये पहिया यहां से घूम के वापस यहां तक आता है, तो इट कंप्लीट और ट्रेवल्स डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू 2 पाई आर. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट हियर. नाउ वी कम टू द स्पीड ऑफ. हमें इसका ये चाहिए कि हमें डिस्टेंस कितना ट्रेवल किया है उसने, इसमें ये हमें चाहिए 10 मिनट में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया है, तो हम इसका पता लगा लेंगे. देखिए, तो व्हाट इज गिवन हियर, इट्स स्पीड इज गिवन. से हियर द स्पीड, व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ दिस? Radius is 80 by 2, that is 40 centimeter, because the diameter of the wheel is given equal to 80 सेंटीमीटर। तो पहले हमें रेडियस के लिए इसका रेडियस हमने फाइंड आउट की, रेडियस इज 40 सेंटीमीटर। इसको यूनिटरी मेथड से करने की कोशिश करते हैं। देखिए, its speed is 66 kilometer per hour. 66 kilometer per hour. It means this side we write time and this side we write distance covered or traveled. It is given in 60 minutes. It means in 1 hour. Distance traveled is that is 66 kilometers. 66 किलोमीटर पर आवर मीन्स 1 आवर। ये जो व्हील है, ये जो पहिया है, 1 आवर में 66 किलोमीटर ट्रेवल करता है। 1 आवर मीन इट मीन्स इन 60 मिनट it travels 66 into 1000 meter, because we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Therefore, in 1 minute, it covers the distance equal to, that is 60 सेंटीमीटर। लेकिन ये 1 मिनट का नहीं, हमें चाहिए 10 मिनट का। दैट इज वाई दिस व्हील कवर्स इन 10 मिनट, इट कवर्स 10 meter. And we can convert into centimeter here, or this can also be written as 66 into 1000 into 10 upon 60 into 100 centimeter, because we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 सेंटीमीटर। दैट इज वाई हमने ये जो पहले ये किलोमीटर है, किलोमीटर से हमने मीटर में कन्वर्ट किया, और मीटर से हमने इसको सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट किया। 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर। तो किलोमीटर से मीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमने 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई किया। 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर। तो मीटर से सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमने इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया। तो दिस इज आवर डिस्टेंस। अब आप इसको इसको आप सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, देन इट विल बी 11 लाख सेंटीमीटर। यू कैन राइट हियर दैट इज सेंटीमीटर। सो इन 10 मिनट, ये 10 मिनट में ये जो व्हील है वो 11 लाख सेंटीमीटर कवर करता है। यस, 11 लाख सेंटीमीटर। तो दिस वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड। यस, सो नाउ अब हम ओरिजिन क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। इसको मुझे यहां से मिटाना पड़ेगा। कैन वी राइट दिस 11 लाख सेंटीमीटर हियर? So now, say here, 2 pi r distance. Now we have to write here distance covered, and this time we have to write number of revolution. कितने revolution लगाता देखिए। 2 pi r distance cover करेगा तो revolution है 1. I can write 2 into 22 by 7, and what is radius? 4. The number of revolution is 1. If it is by unitary method, if it is it travels distance 1 unit, then number of revolution will be 2 into 22 into 40 into 7. इसको हम डिवाइड कर देते हैं। देखिए, लेकिन हमने कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया है? दैट इज 11 लाख। सो सेंटीमीटर we need 1 into 7, 2 into 22 into 40 into and you please simplify. You simplify this, I think you can simplify it easily. This will be 4375. You can take time and you can simplify easily. आप चाहें तो इसको पहले से भी simplify कर सकते हैं. So in the answer statement, I'll be writing here, therefore, the wheel will revolve number of as hence a wheel makes 4375 revolution in 10 minutes. And that is the answer of this question. स्टूडेंट्स, पहले हम इसमें ये फाइंड आउट करते हैं कि 10 मिनट में जो आपका जो व्हील है वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया है. हम इसको सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं और फिर एक रूल है कि आप यूनिटरी मेथड्स को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. अगर ये 2 पाई आर डिस्टेंस कवर करता है तो नंबर ऑफ रिवोल्यूशन विल बी 1. डिस्टेंस 2 पाई आर मींस सर्कमफरेंस, नंबर ऑफ रिवोल्यूशन इज 1. So in place of 2, you can write 2. In place of pi, you can write 22 by 7. In place of r, it is radius is 40 centimeter. It is already given. So we can calculate like this. So that's all for this question.